Welcome to Vocabulary Pro.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to my shop.
Thank you. Your shop is very clean.
Thank you. I try to keep it neat and clean. Please sit down.
Yes, thank you.
Have you come here before?
No, this is my first time.
Oh, first time. That is good. My name is Ramesh. I am the tailor here.
Nice to meet you, Ramesh. My name is Amit.
Nice to meet you, Amit. What can I do for you today?
I want to make new clothes.
New clothes. That is good. For what purpose? For office, for party, or for daily wear?
For office, and also for a family function.
Okay, so you want formal clothes and also one party dress?
Yes.
Very good. Do you have cloth with you?
No, I don't have cloth. Please show me cloth.
Yes, I have many types. Cotton, silk, polyester, linen, wool.
I want cotton for office.
Yes, cotton is good for office. What color do you like?
Show me some light colors.
Here is white, cream, light blue, light gray.
I like light blue.
Light blue is very smart.
And for trouser?
For trouser, dark colors look good. Black, navy blue, dark gray.
I will take black trouser.
Very good choice.
And for party?
For party, silk or shiny fabric looks good.
Okay, show me silk.
Here is red silk, maroon silk, green silk, golden silk. Golden is too bright. Red looks good. Yes, red silk is very popular. Now I will take your measurement. Please stand here.
Okay.
Shoulder, chest, waist, hip, sleeve, length.
Okay.
Do you want slim fit or loose fit?
For office, slim fit. For party, a little loose.
Good. Do you want long sleeves or short sleeves?
Long sleeves for both.
Okay. Do you want pockets?
For office shirt, one pocket. For party shirt, no pocket.
Fine. Do you want a collar?
Yes, collar on both.
Do you want buttons or zip?
Buttons.
White buttons for blue shirt, black buttons for red shirt?
Yes.
For trouser, do you want pleats?
What is pleats?
Small folds in the front.
Oh, okay. No pleats.
Okay. 2 front pockets, 1 back pocket.
Yes.
Belt loops or elastic.
Belt loops. When will my clothes be ready?
Today is Monday. I need 5 days for office dress and 5 days for party dress.
So, total 10 days?
Yes. You can come next Thursday.
Okay. Next Thursday. How much will it cost?
Office shirt cloth, 200 rupees. Stitching, 300 rupees. Office trouser cloth, 400. stitching 400. Party shirt cloth 500, stitching 350. Total is 1,850 rupees.
Okay, I will pay 1,000 now and 850 later.
Fine, thank you. Do you work in an office nearby?
Yes, my office is just 2 streets away.
Very good. You can come anytime.
Yes.
Do you live nearby too?
Yes, my house is in the next lane.
Good. Then it is easy for you to collect clothes.
Yes, very easy.
How is your family?
All are fine. My parents live with me. My wife also works.
That is nice. Do you have children?
Yes, one son. He is in school.
Good. Children are a blessing.
Good evening.
Good evening. Welcome back.
Are my clothes ready?
Yes, they are ready. Here is your light blue shirt and black trouser.
Can I try?
Yes, please go to the trial room.
The shirt is perfect. The trouser is also perfect.
Thank you. And here is your red silk shirt.
Let me try. Oh, very nice. It looks good for party.
Yes, it looks very good on you.
Thank you. Here's the balance money.
Thank you. Please come again.
Yes, I will come again. Bye.
Bye.
Hello again.
Hello, sir. Welcome. How are you?
I am fine. The clothes you made were very good.
Thank you. I am happy you liked them.
My friend also liked my shirt. He may come here.
Very good. I will make good clothes for him also.
Good. Next month I will come again for winter clothes.
Yes, I will show you wool and warm fabric.
Okay. See you next month.
See you. Bye.
Thank you for watching this story. Today we learned many small, simple English words. If you learn a little every day, your English will improve. Speak English daily, even simple words. Practice makes you perfect. Please like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Write in the comments what new English words you learned today. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.